Shaw, Recycling Coordinator at AD. And thank you for using a handkerchief instead of a tissue to stop that sneeze from spreading everywhere. In creating toilet paper and tissues, we use a lot of our limited natural resources. Toilet paper accounts for 15% of deforestation and uses 37 gallons of water, 1.3 kilowatt hours of electricity, and 1.5 pounds of wood to make a single roll. These paper products are not recyclable because they come in contact with bodily fluids. Even unused paper products should at least be used before they go in the trash. The best way to get around having to landfill these items is to make the following substitutions: a handkerchief for tissues and eco-friendly products made from 100% recycled content. A bidet would even help you reduce toilet paper usage and uses significantly less water than producing a roll of toilet paper. This habit may be hard to change, but once you do, you'll love the cost savings of not buying all those unnecessary paper products. Be the biggest reducer! And Mother Nature will thank you too. Tune in next time when we go over to-go containers. Reduce, don't produce.